Hello, everybody. Just another day that the Lord has made, boy. Blessings for everybody. You see that intro? So much new information is being released to us damn near every day. I'm constantly questioning my schooling and my taught beliefs. Now, before I begin any of the ranting and raving that I do oh so well, let me show you what I'm working with. Blue Heat Takis with fried chicken legs. We did the hot Cheetos. So my nephew Daniel said, maybe you should try the Takis. I said, green chicken. Look at that. It don't coat as good as the Cheetos, the hot Cheetos. But, I got my celery, my home-cooked French fries. And since I'm talking about the unknown, it's ranch and my 2-time spicy sauce. This is the Monterey Jack queso cheese. Got it from Kroger. Look at that. Let's go ahead and say our grace. Let's get it on in. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food we're about to receive. May it nourish our bodies and strengthen our minds. In your name we both pray. Amen. I got my number one here. My nephew DJ. Hey DJ. He's at work. Don't worry, young man. Your food's already ready for you in the microwave.
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
Since I'm talking about futuristic, I decided to eat futuristic.
Today I came to a robot restaurant for dinner. All the dishes here are made by robots. You can clearly see the cooking process. Very easy. This is the 10th robot restaurant in Foshan City. It looks like it wasted a lot of food. First, you can directly order the food by scanning the QR code on the table. After it is done, the food will be delivered to your table through the channel on the ceiling. Sometimes he will deliver food through a robot, and you still need to put the food on the table yourself. The 3 dishes total $19.8. It's a bit expensive, so there are not many customers here. They also have self-service robot burgers, fried chicken, ice cream, etc. Just such a small ice cream cost me nearly $1. Too expensive.
We've been lied to, y'all.
There's people living on the moon. There's already a breakaway civilization there. We've been there for a very long time. People were on Mars, and a few whistleblowers have come forward and said that the people on Mars look like the ancient Egyptians. Governments are so advanced now. They used to be 50 years ahead of us of what we know exists. Now they're about 300 years ahead of us. In the last 10 years, over 200 NASA scientists dead. Strangely, it's kind of horrifying, and I think that the people who may want to come out are afraid to die.
Wake up, y'all.
I've been showing y'all chemtrails. I've been showing y'all posts about 2 suns, multiple planets. I've been telling you to heal, be whole, be authentic, be real. Question your religious school establishments, entertainment industry. Don't follow stars. Y'all keep on chasing the bag, competing, comparing. I've been talking to y'all for almost 2 years, if not longer, about being whole and being real and letting y'all know what was coming. It's here and they can't hide it. So once you see this video, now what? Now I have a question that you need to start asking yourself once you see the video. Why didn't these institutions you trust tell you about this? That's all. The only way out is in. Look at the video. Y'all take care of yourself.
Are y'all woke yet?
No, keep looking. Don't scream about no lens flares, no CGI, nothing. Keep looking.
That's the sunset. Quite beautiful, right? Right from my job. What's that? What is that?
सकते हो दो सूर्य एक आपको जो दिखाई दे रहा है
Now y'all know what it means to be sleep. Trusting these people, not questioning your religion, not questioning your beliefs. The world does not work how you was told it
works. A really very
Do
clear
you see these videos?
That is right
Keep
north of the
listening.
sun. And wow, I would love to say it was the moon, but since the moon happens to be right here on the opposite side, there's no way it is. And since we all have been taught in school that Mercury and Venus do not show up, oh, just look at that planet just beaming and shining right now. Somebody tell me what it is. Thank you.
You so scared to walk in your light, so scared to look up, distracted by entertainers, music, money, this whole illusion they've given you. You have no idea that heaven is coming to earth for real in a way that they did not tell you it was going to be.
Am I tweaking? What the?
And watch who you look up to. God himself says, I'm a jealous God. Put no one before me. No idols, no fake prophets. He said no one. And I already said it. If it turned out that God was an alien, I would just be an alien worshiping.
People that are in control and power on this planet don't want this information to get out. God is not a man. God is a divine energy, and the shape of that divine energy is the flower of life. The frequencies that emanate from between these patterns literally jingles matter into existence. This image here is the flower of life atomically etched into a stone pillar at the Osirian temple in Egypt. The knowledge of this goes back 60, 70,000 years old.
You better go back and look at my shows. I already said it. Even watch your religious leaders too. This is my ranch 2 times spicy sauce and hot sauce concoction. Look at that. It's good.
Many sci-fi films and TV have been used to reveal the truth. Stargate SG-1 is a great example of this.
At the beginning, a nerd is trying to solve a video game puzzle. Computer just goes black. And he's like, wait, what's going on? You know, I solved the puzzle and it just went black on me. Almost immediately, the doorbell rings. He opens up the door and there's a professorial-looking guy. And they're saying, you need to come to the spaceship that's orbiting Earth right now. And the guy goes, yeah, right, dude, whatever. He slams the door on him. He starts walking up the stairs, and he disappears. And he reappears in his spaceship that's orbiting the Earth. Clearly a secret space program. Using video games to find out who is perceptive, who is knowledgeable, who can handle this even.
They have disclosed to us.
And I'm sure a lot of people that are watching this don't and won't believe me.
You said anything I can't see, I don't believe. Is that what you said?
Yes. Anything I see it, I believe. No seeing, no belief.
Okay, have you seen your brain?
I don't know. No, where is the brain?
So you don't have brain?
No.
Even when the evidence and facts are clearly in your face.
You said you worked with the sellers, but the prices are clearly listed on each bag. You got $15 bags, $10 bags. I'm not a dope dealer. That'd be terrible. Well, I mean, obviously this is a small amount, but this very much makes it look like you're selling. I know it does. I know narcotics. Okay, but I'm not. I'll crush that right now. Well, no, let's go with me.
I don't care. Facts is facts. They out there, y'all. Just accept it.
So are you telling me we're just random? How so? Such as? So the universe doesn't care if we live or die. I don't believe that for a second. We're more than just random.
And here I thought the biggest thing I had to worry about was disease. COVID and
There's a supermassive pyramid in Antarctica. I mean supermassive. And some military soldiers have come forward with their testimony about the fact that it's still emitting some type of exotic energy. All the leaders of the world have gone down there. More recently, Buzz Aldrin went there, one of the first people to walk on the moon, and he was completely horrified at what he found out. He actually went on Twitter and made a tweet that said something to the effect of, "They are pure evil, we're in trouble."
how much more proof do you need?
Meet Mona Lisa, a black woman Neturu found by Apollo 20 in 1972 on her own spaceship, which she was piloting. She is said to be 1.5 billion years old. They found her fully intact with her face gear on her apparatus for piloting her ship, on her head, forehead, and on her eyes and in her nose. The apparatus said she was said to be 5 feet 4 inches tall. They also found with her as co-pilot a bluish gray being present. They only found the head part of that being. But here you see just how far back melanated people go, and melanated women piloting spaceships. Yes, they call her Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa also had 6 fingers.
It's right in your face, y'all. Even the news is trying to give us hints and warnings and
Trey's, good morning. This extraordinary video and images of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, were leaked to investigative reporter Jeremy Corbell and investigative reporter George Knapp. This night vision video purportedly shows 3 pyramid-shaped UFOs flying over the USS Russell off the coast of California in July of 2019. At one point, these UFOs reportedly hovered just 700 feet above the tail of the Navy destroyer, making, quote, extraordinary maneuvers. Now, Corbell says the unclassified video is part of a classified government report intended to educate officials about unidentified crafts flying over restricted airspace. These cell phone photos taken by a FA-18 pilot in March of 2019 show 3 different unidentified aircrafts off the coast of Oceania, including 2 UFOs dubbed the Metallic Blimp and another called the Sphere. A Department of Defense spokesperson said, quote, I can confirm that the referenced photos and videos were taken by Navy personnel. The Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force has included these incidents in their ongoing examinations. However, the Pentagon was unwilling to confirm these 3 photos, which Corbell says came from the USS Omaha, showing a UFO diving into the ocean and disappearing.
And y'all still not listening. What, something blocking your ear?
What I was told on Google.
There's something black in his ear and white.
That was a bubble, huh?
That's scary. It looked like an eye.
Is that another one coming?
I think. Let me zoom in.
Talk, Josiah.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I am. Got an airport check, y'all. Too scary.
That was crazy how it just bubbled, huh, Mel?
Yeah, it looked like an eye. Dang. It's disgusting in there. Is it done? I see a lot of bubbles. Mom.
Okay, so we're gonna turn your head.
I'm just saying, think about what I'm trying to tell you. Just don't beat yourself up mentally in the process.
Hey man, I think you got him.
You want what he's having?
No.
That's what I thought.
We're going to have to physically exist. Well, I mean, at least try to blend.
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Drugs.
Maybe we'll learn some new cooking skills. Recipes. I don't care. Long as they not trying to eat my ass. But seriously, y'all, it's far more stuff to worry about than aliens and COVID.
So y'all weren't gonna tell me about this? You let me find this out on my own? The magical Japanese boulder that imprisoned a demon for 1,000 years has mysteriously cracked open and people are spooked. I wonder why they're spooked. Oh yeah, it's because a lava rock in the middle of a sulfur spring supposedly holding a 9-tailed fox demon had just mysteriously broke for no reason. So this is before. It's in one piece. Blessed. This was yesterday. Not great. Does anyone have Tanjiro's number? I think we're gonna need it.
This is the Monterey Jack queso dip. That's pretty. Look at that. Yeah.
Alexa, disable gravity.
Turning off gravity. You are now free to float. Or as I like to say, the wait is over.
I like it with the queso cheese too. It's good, y'all. Y'all should try it.
This new video proves Elon Musk is secretly working with the aliens. This SpaceX action cam footage has just surfaced showing flying crafts appearing by the shuttle. It almost looks like a glowing halo approaching to board the ship. Some people even claim that Elon Musk has been in contact with aliens for years. Aliens who are giving him the advanced technology of Tesla and space travel, the same way that the alien gods gave the Egyptian pharaohs secret knowledge to build the pyramids. Too many people were starting to think that Elon Musk is an alien himself. He had to make a response, and he confirmed he is an alien. And to Elon Musk, it's obvious that aliens built the pyramids. But is that because he himself is an alien? The advanced AI self-driving technology he uses in Tesla, he named after Nikola Tesla, who also was rumored to be in contact with aliens who gave him the advanced technology of electricity. Even in these CIA documents, they admit that Nikola Tesla is in fact an alien from Jupiter. It sounds to me like Elon Musk might just be an alien. Like this video if you're a believer.
Now let that marinate on your mental for a minute. Well, if you guys like what you seen here, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys and you guys soon.